and welcome back guys to part 10 of how to create a Discord server for your YouTube channel, an epic Discord server. And we have come a long ways, my friends, and in part 10 we are going to be focusing on server stats. So first of all, I'm going to my Discord, the channel that we have created, the Discord server, and here under the welcome category, the most important category, I am going to write channel name server stats. So guys, server stats is now enabled and I am going to create channel. And in fact, what I'm going to do is move this up above everything, because I want to brag about the server stats, to be honest with you. How many members does the server stats have? Everybody wants to know about this, to be honest with you. So YouTube channel name server, and okay my friends, I am over here. Now let's go to this page, ServerStatsBot.com. Get started. They want me to add the name of the server, so I'm going to add YouTube channel name server. Click continue and authorize it. Click I'm not a robot. Authorized. And now that it has been authorized, my friends, I am going to see which command they are using, because it is very important, the commands. It has been authorized. Commands are invite this command. Command will send information how to add the bot setup. And here, check server you want to add the bot to. Click on the blue authorize to I'm not a robot thing. Start the setup. In the server chat, s/setup. So we are going to do exactly that. s/setup. Enter. Voice text. Now my friends, which type of channel do you want to use as a counter? Type cancel. So I am going to write text yes. So my friend, never mind, this server stats has been set up and completed. So what I'm going to do is I am going to try to find which command gives the stats, because this is why we installed this server stats, to be honest with you. Info, yes, I think info. So I am going to write over here info. So roles, no roles. So this is information about myself actually, and I want to know about user info, role info, all sorts of these are all the commands over here, my friends. So server, I want to see server, to be honest with you. Show your clients server, show all server bot or other that are partnered with this bot server. So I am going to write partners. I'm going to search it. Why not, my friends? Server info, going to write it over here. server info, server info. This is it, my friends. Exclamation mark server info. You see, cardboard is being shown. Total text channels, voice channels, members, all the information is over here to see, and anybody can see it, my friends. So this is a very important bot. The ServerStatsBot have been installed and working, and I tested it in front of you, my friends. So part 10 is complete, my friends. And you must be wondering, we have come a long way, and part 9 should be even more interesting. This journey is becoming more and more interesting. So stay tuned, my friends, coming right back up.